this. All credit goes to these people over here, especially Dr. Sarkar. So with that, we're moving. All credit goes to these. All credit goes to these people. With that, we're moving on, especially Dr. Sarkar. A lot of the content comes from him. So we are starting over here. Now the work's already solved. Next, we do beta 1, f of j minus 1, so this is minus actually, plus beta 0, fj plus beta 1, fj plus 1. You see over here that that's the same thing, 3 over here and 3 over here. It's a little ordered differently. That's fine. It shouldn't be a big issue. According to my knowledge, I don't think. There's a prime over here, there's a prime over here, there's a prime over here, and there's a normal, normal, normal here. I'm just rearranging it to make it look a little bit more intuitively understood. Okay? With that said, we now need to use this big table. Now, the difference between those two tables is that this is different. These numbers are basically different. And instead of, we're going to go over here because I don't really want to do this algebra. So this is A0. This is A1. No. This is alpha 0. Alpha 0. This over here is J. So that is beta 1. No, beta 0, sorry. This is beta 1, beta minus 1. And this is alpha 1, alpha minus 1. And it gives you all this, which in turn give you this system of equation, which I cannot solve easily. It's going to be hard to solve. As you can see, that system equation is not really solvable by hand. And that's basically it for Padé, I believe, if I can go to that place. Yeah, the solution is possible. It's just a little bit like you have to solve let me see. Yeah, it's all a big matrix. This is over here, A1, A2, A3, A4, A1, A2, A3, A4. So these all have all four of them. So you're gonna have to have a 4 by 4 minimum. Anyways, with that said, over here is a solution, and then you just plug it back in to get this. And that's it. And then there's different versions of it, the triangle system. And then what's happening here is you get this finally. And why there's different versions? These two are the first two and last two, basically. And this allows us to, because there's no, because it usually takes three of these, right? The Padé usually takes three, but over here it takes two because the end conditions over here. That's why end conditions are always sacred. They are a little bit harder than anything else. And then there's more reading, but that's basically it. I think for the most part, you need to use MATLAB to figure everything out. I wouldn't recommend anything but MATLAB to solve this, like literally, yeah. Next time, I think I'm going to use MATLAB to show everything.